Soak in the sunlight, colors, people, and smells of Chitre, Panama City, and the Ambara tribe. Let it remind you and take you to a place more familiar in your mind's eye. Something in the eyes of the Ambaran people is so alive that no amount of words can explain the magic. There is a rawness there that cannot be explained and should only be experienced firsthand. The 2 weeks will go by fast, yet affect you so deeply. Stay focused, allowing your perspectives to shape you. We are created to connect and bond and leave everyone on our path better than we found them. That sums up my calling as a nurse. What we have begun to appreciate the most of this trip is that West Coast University took the time to find a place for everyone on the team. With all our different strengths and interests, we were all able to find a niche to practice our passion. We have personally learned to simplify and live simply.
As a nurse, I am committed to care for my patients as if they were family. But it seems as though some healthcare professionals fall short of that commitment. During times of rush, patients are mistakenly seen as just a number or another thing to be checked off the list. Although this may be difficult for some, when you take the time to talk to a patient, you build the trust that you need to provide optimal care. Most importantly, patients are human beings who deserve to be treated with care and compassion during every interaction. This experience will serve as a constant reminder for myself. I am extremely grateful to have seen through my own eyes the importance of building trust and rapport through the genuine care of the Panamanian nurses.
Being able to watch and learn from the nurses in Panama, even with the limited resources they had, such as using water instead of alcohol to give vaccinations, or even using a cardboard box as a sharps container, they were still able to provide the best care possible to the people and the community. Through this experience, I am able to gain a sense of pride and passion for what I do and what I can do to help my community. Before leaving to Panama, I never really thought about the impact that a nurse can have in a community. However, this experience has allowed me to see a different side of nursing, the side that does not involve being in the four walls of a hospital. Being able to walk around the community and go to an elementary school to provide vaccinations and education on hand hygiene has really made me feel like I made a difference. This experience has really allowed me to be culturally aware of not only of other people's culture, but also of my own. I remember a day where I was with a Panama nursing student who only spoke Spanish. All I can think about was where was Melissa and Nicole when I needed them. However, I didn't realize that the nursing student was also feeling the same way. I never realized how important nonverbal communication was until now. However, we were still able to use a lot of hand gestures, and with the help of a medical Spanish dictionary and a translator app, we were able to communicate as if we've been friends forever.
During our stay in Panama, we had the opportunity to go on a variety of different home visits with the Panamanian nurses. The home visit experience was amazing. It has allowed us to gain so many wonderful memories that have helped shape our perspective. We visited a variety of different homes, some clean, some that were infested with flies, houses without doors, windows, walls, houses made out of sheet metal. We met adults and children who were of all different race. But no matter the face or the house they lived in, the nurses treated each individual as if they were part of their own family.
Roald Dahl says, "And above all, watch with glittering eyes the whole world around you, because the greatest secrets are always hidden in the most unlikely places. Those who don't believe in magic will never find it." Everyone on our team is dynamic and such passionate individuals. Truly, Passion is the spark for our fuse. When we add passion and emotions to our belief, it becomes a conviction. So always pay attention to the things that get your heart racing, things you daydream about doing, and catch the beauty while you can.
Thank you, West Coast University.